Welcome to the Scheduled Reports feature walkthrough. In this video, we'll show you how to create and manage scheduled reports to keep you updated automatically. To begin, select Reports from the top toolbar, then choose Alerts from the left menu. In the top right corner, you'll see a Schedule button with an envelope icon. This button is available across multiple reports, including Alerts, Safety Report Card, Trips, Advanced Trips, Usage Hours, Stops, Idle Activity, Sensor, and Utilization. To set up a scheduled report, simply click the Schedule button. This process consists of a few easy steps. Step 1. Select the reports you want to include in the scheduled report. Step 2. Choose the trackers you want to include. You can either select individual trackers or use the Select All Trackers option to include all trackers in the report. Next, configure your preferences. Choose your report units, miles or kilometers, select your time zone, set the alert frequency, deciding how often you want the report to be generated, then enter the email address where you'd like the report to be sent. If you want to send it to multiple recipients, simply click the plus icon to add additional emails. Once everything is set, click Save and your scheduled report will be created. You can view your scheduled reports by navigating to Setup on the top toolbar and Scheduled Reports on the left menu. And that's it! You've successfully set up a scheduled report. Now you'll receive automated reports based on your preferences, making it easier to stay informed.